Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to install Mozilla Thunderbird on Windows 11, which is hands down the best way to reclaim your email privacy from big tech data harvesting. While most default mail apps track your activity and store your data in the cloud, Thunderbird is an open source powerhouse that keeps your emails stored locally on your own machine. First, open your browser and go to thunderbird.net. Click the free download button. The site will automatically detect that you're on Windows 64-bit. Run and finish the installer. Once it launches, enter your name and email address. Thunderbird is incredibly smart. It will automatically find the IMAP, POP3, and SMTP settings for almost any email provider, so you don't have to enter server codes manually. Click Continue. Now enter your password. To maximize your privacy, we need to activate two specific shield features that are tucked away in the settings. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Under the Mail Content section, ensure Allow Remote Content in Messages is unchecked. This prevents companies from knowing exactly when, where, and on what device you opened their email. And that's it. Your inbox is now a private vault under your total control. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.